Connie Ferguson said, "I cheated because he cheated as well." There's no relationship that's said to be the most perfect relationship of all times. Yes, outsiders looking from far might consider what they see as perfect, but how about you get a little closer to the situation at hand before throwing compliments or judgments? We have on many occasions been told that looks can be very deceiving, which turned out to be true based on experience. The Fergusons are a power couple in Mzansi, and a lot of African couples aspire to be just like them. They are what we call relationship goals things. Yes, Connie works very closely with a lot of male entertainers and is often mistaken for cheating. "My husband trusts me and so do I. I'll never stop people from assuming or even creating stories about our corner of happiness, and I'll never try defending, it's not worth our time," she said.
Yeah.